All of the windows in the house are rectangles. None of the windows in the house are squares. Which of the following is false? So it says all of the windows in the house are rectangles. So a rectangle, by definition, is going to have four right angles, which are 90 degrees, and its opposite sides are going to be equal. So this side is going to be equal to this side, and then the same goes for these two. By definition, a square also has four right angles, which are 90 degrees, but the only difference is that all four sides must be equal. Now, usually by definition, a square is a rectangle, but in this problem, it says none of the windows in the house are squares, so therefore they cannot have equal sides. So going through these, all of the windows contain right angles. This statement is true because, as you can see, yes, all the angles in the rectangle are right angles, but also in the square. B, none of the windows will have four sides of equal length. This is also a true statement because it states that none of the windows are squares, so none of them will have four equal sides. C, none of the windows will contain obtuse angles. This statement is true because none of the angles will be obtuse because all must be right angles. D, none of the windows contain right angles. This statement is false because by definition, rectangles must have all right angles. So by saying that none of the windows contain right angles is false because they all must contain right angles. So D will be our answer.